What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the NUU B30 Pro 5G. Big shout out to NUU Mobile for sending this over. Now, this is just going to be an unboxing. I'm going to unbox it, take a look at the hardware, and then I'll use it for a week or so. Then I'll come back and give you my thoughts and opinion on it after using it for that amount of time. Now, I've worked with NUU before. I reviewed the NUU A25 smartphone right here. This is a great device, great price on it, works very well, and just an excellent device. So I'm looking forward to reviewing this device here. Now, I'll drop a link to my videos on this device down below if you want to go over and check out those videos as well. So here's the device here. Now, this is going to come in at a price range under $300. Think about 270 bucks. I'll definitely have the link in the description where you guys can go over and pick this up. But here's the packaging that it comes in. NUU. See a picture of the device there. Very nice looking. B30 Pro 5G. Here's some of the specs on the back. We'll get into that in a little bit. On this side, you guys see NUUmobile.com, so go over and check them out. So let's get into some of the features and details. So this features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Has 120 hertz refresh rate, and it has a fingerprint sensor in the display. The processor on this is going to be the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, which I have read up on, and it seems to be a great processor. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gigabytes of storage, so you got enough RAM and enough storage on here. It's going to come out of the box on Android 13, but it's going to be upgradable to Android 14. Now, it has 5G connectivity, has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 30 watts fast charging. And let's talk about the cameras. As you guys see, you got a triple camera setup on the back. You got a 108 megapixel main shooter. You got an 8 megapixel wide angle shooter, and you got a 2 megapixel macro shooter. Now, the front selfie camera is going to be a 32 megapixel camera. So those are a few of the features and details on the cameras. And like I said, after I use them for a while, I'll come back and give you some more specs and my thoughts on the cameras. Now, this also supports dual SIM support, and here are a few more of the specs about this device as well. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging and check it out. There's a little piece of film on here that I need to get off, so the unboxing knife is out. Let's unbox the box and do not cut myself. So here we are. So I'm pretty excited about looking at this device. Like I said, the A25 has been a great device, man. Very nice experience with that device. Let's go ahead and get this open. So you just pull it on the side right there. Woo! Very nice device here, man. Looks very good. This blue has a shimmer to it, as you guys see. Very nice. This is a very nice looking device, has a curved body, but we're going to put it over to the side for now and see what else is in the packaging. So immediately you get your charging cable, type C to type C. That's how you do it. Under 300 bucks. And then you're going to get your power brick. Got your SIM card ejection tool there. And let's see what else is in the packaging. All right, so NUU gives us a case. They always give you a case in there. You get some NUU stickers. You're gonna get your get started guide here, and then you get a case, a nice clear case. So all of this in the box for under 300 bucks, guys. So it still can be done. So let's get this box over to the side, put this stuff out of the way, and take a look at the device. So here's the phone, and it has a nice feel on the back of it. I'm not sure if this is glass. It's Gorilla Glass. This is Gorilla Glass from what my notes that I think I've read. Has a curved design here. You got your 3 camera setup there, which is very nice looking there. You got your flash, and then coming up at the top. Now this has a blue tone to it as well going around it. You got a speaker, microphone, couple of microphones there. Like I said, I'm going to get into more about what all of this is in a future video. Volume up and down, power button. On the bottom, you got another speaker, charging port, SIM card tray, and your microphone there. Nothing on this side. And then here's your 6.7-inch display right here. You got your 32 megapixel camera right there. And this is curved on the sides of it. So curved display here, feels good in the hand. Not a very big device. Here it is next to the A25 size-wise right here. Let's go ahead and power this up, see if it has any power. I felt a vibration there, and it is powering up. Powered by Android. NUU right there. Let's watch the boot up animation on here, and then I'll put my information in and come right back. Trying to see, yes, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it has a screen protector on it. So there's the boot up animation. Very nice. And here we are. So let me go ahead and get my information in. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. I got logged in, put some of my information in. I have not added any apps or anything, so this is straight out of the box pretty much. Does have a screen protector on this, a film screen protector like I thought. The fingerprint sensor I set up works very fast, as you guys see. And I've had a chance to kind of play around with this device, and it's dope. It didn't come with 120 hertz refresh rates selected out of the box. I changed it. It came in auto mode, but you got 60 as well that you can choose from. Did have a security patch update. So now it's on the February 5th update. And so far, like I said, it looks good. The display looks good. As you guys see, the blues look very nice on here. And just strolling around, it's very nice. So going into the app drawer here, you get a chance to see what's all on here. Get things like Assistant, Calculator, Calendar, a lot of Google stuff, Google Gmail. You got an FM radio, Google TV, you know, just Google stuff here, YouTube and stuff like that. So not a lot of bloatware on the device. Going into the drop down menu, you guys see this is what it looks like here. You got different things you can set up here. You got hotspot, calendar, jump right into the calendar, night light, different things like that. And you can set this up like you want. This was on auto brightness too. I changed that. So let's go into the settings. Take a look at some of the settings here. So this is normal stuff here. You got your notifications here. You can set different bubbles and, you know, set it up like you want. You got your battery here, battery percentage. I have that already showing over there. Let's go back in that. You got adaptive charging right there. Maximum limit is 85%. I never use that on my devices. You got what they call an intelligent assistant here, where you can go in and toggle on different things like smart answer. This, when enable, all incoming calls may be answered automatically by placing the phone against your ear. Screenshot gesture, screen split by gesture. Different things here. A lot of different features that you can turn on or turn off right here. Flash notification for calls. Flashlight shortcut. The only one I did turn on is the double tap. And like I said, I'll go through, set up a lot of stuff on here after I have it for a while. You got your sounds and vibrations here. Dual speakers sound pretty good. Let's go ahead and just listen at some of these. So the speakers are not bad on there. You got dial pad tones, string lock sounds, different things like that that we get normally. Your display here, you got edge lighting, always on display that you can set up. Change the different clocks and different colors here if you want. Whatever you want to change it to. I guess I'm going to go with something like this. Apply. So a lot of customization here on this device. Always on edge, you got edge lighting as well. So you guys see, you can set it up for edge lighting for notifications and stuff. This is under $300, guys. Lock screen notification, screen timeout, dark mode, which I've already turned on. My tone, you can set this in normal, vivid, default warm, and cool. So I have it in vivid. Let's see here. Screen refresh rate, like I was telling you, you can set in auto, 120 or 60 hertz. I put it in 120. Go back out. You got your different wallpapers here. I didn't see anything interesting in there. Accessibility, security, privacy, location, digital well-being, Google. Dual speed is something that they have on the other one. Dual speed helps boost the foreground apps by restricting background apps. Some notifications may be postponed or not received. Dual speed does not restrict background activities of apps switched on in the list. So you can turn on which ones you want to constantly get reminders for notifications. So you got your system here. Like I said, I had an update earlier. It was just a security update. Let's go back and go to About. This is running Android 13. Like I said, it will be upgradable to Android 14 as well. You guys see the security patch February the 5th, 2024. So looking at the speakers sound good on here. I took a brief look at the cameras. Video, you can shoot 4K up to 30 frames per second, as you guys see right there. 1080, you can shoot 1080 at 60. That's the rear facing camera. Let's go back in. You got stuff like night shots here, video, photos, portrait mode, face beauty, panorama, and then that's pretty much it. But as far as the photos, you got that 108 megapixel, but video, you can shoot up to 4K 30 with the camera. So, all right, guys, so this has been my look at the NUU B30 Pro 5G. I'll definitely follow up in a week or two and let you guys know what I think about this. I'm going to drop my Mint Mobile SIM card in here, check out phone calls. Going to take it out, check out the cameras. I'm going to load some games on here, check that out. Social media apps. Just give it a whole go around and let you guys know what I think about it after using it. Let's go ahead and drop this case on here since NUU Mobile let us put this case in the box for us. And here it is. As you guys see, case fits excellent. All cutouts are on point. No issues there. And you definitely still get a chance to see this beautiful color of your device as well. So the NUU Mobile B30 Pro 5G, Will H. I'm out.